for agreement to participate in our super microwave testing. We hope you will get the best experience with your super microwave. In order to get better experience, we recommend you to watch the video tutorial, which will teach you how to use the microwave, provided by our company. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use your new super microwave. First of all, open your super microwave's door and put your food into the super microwave. Then close the door and wait a little. Next, when the super microwave doing its job, you can inject the food and enjoy. Please, pay attention. You should use microwave only to work with food. It is highly restricted to put any other objects into the microwave.
ทำเพื่ออะไร
weed every day. Smoke weed. The super microwave can become your best friend. It can help you to make your food better. It can even watch a movie with you. You have absolutely no reason to not to trust your microwave. Attention, microwaves cannot talk. If your microwave started to talk with you, then follow next steps. First, make sure there is nobody hidden inside the microwave, because microwaves don't talk itself. Second, try to isolate yourself from the super microwave. It is better to lock all your house doors and put the super microwave outside. Don't worry, your life is safe now. And finally, try not to talk and interact with microwave. Some aspects of the effect of microwaves on humans are not yet fully understood. the microwave which our company provided to you in testing purposes. You are a pathetic and worthless person who don't deserve to own our super microwave. Our sales manager will now come to your house and take your life as a fine.